Hey guys, this is Henry here again. All right, I've been asked these questions back to back. Henry, how much did YouTube pay you? Your first payout or your first payment from YouTube? Because you guys know, I just started YouTube. Not that I just started YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for a while, but I just got what is it called? I just got monetized. Yeah, that's the word. I just got monetized not too long. I think I got monetized March. Is it March or April? No, January, February, March, April, May, June. I got verified during that time. May, June. All right, and YouTube paid me let me show you my first I still have it in my account, so I've not even touched it. But right now, as we speak, today being the what's today's date? Today being the 23rd of October 2021. Right now my estimated revenue is $85. Okay, let me show you how much my first payment from YouTube is. Where's that? Okay, alert. All right. Okay, yeah, this is it, because you need to have a domiciliary account before YouTube can pay you a dollar account. So this was the first amount YouTube paid me, 342 USD, still there in the account. I've not even touched it. All right, I opened this account basically because I needed a domiciliary account. Now when you're using alerts, you can register and get a domiciliary bank account, and before, without even going to the bank. So yeah, to cut all the long story short, this was the payment I got from YouTube, $342. So thanks guys, thanks to all my subscribers, those that are watching my videos, those that are supporting me, those that are liking and sharing my videos. God bless you guys. So right now I'm at $85. Now this month alone, October, I think I've done just two videos. Just two videos. And you know, there are a lot of people who do videos back to back. They do videos back to back. So meaning YouTube is really as a YouTuber, you can live above poverty. Honestly speaking, yes, you can live perfectly well without struggling in this life, because YouTube actually pays. Okay, just imagine it's just two videos I've done for this week, and my old videos are not really bringing much revenues, you understand? So although they are, but they're not really bringing much revenues. So I think these revenues are from the two latest videos I posted all through this month, and this month is almost done. This is the 23rd of this month. So imagine you are doing videos back to back, you would be really making this money from YouTube, honestly speaking. And let me tell you one thing, you don't need to know how to talk before you can earn from YouTube. I know of a lot of people who just post highlights, football highlights, and these people are making millions. They just post football highlights. Some people are posting just Z word highlights. There are a lot of people who are going like right now online to watch Z word. If they missed it, they'll go on YouTube to watch the highlights. There are many things you can do. You don't People don't even really need to see your face. I don't think I've ever posted a video where you saw my face before, but I'm still making money from my videos. So, but my own niche is really, really difficult, because it is an educational type of videos I post. So I must have to do research, I must have to study, I must have to do this before I dish out my video. So you may not be that kind of a person, and you can still make money from YouTube. Honestly speaking, just do what I have told you. Look for something you know you can be doing. You can be posting highlights of things, or looking for comedies. Do you understand? There is no copyright whatsoever on YouTube. People can post hundreds the same type of videos, and you still get viewers. So you can just go and start picking comedies. There are a lot of people that post comedies on YouTube, and they are making their money. Do you understand? So YouTube is also something you need to look into. So thank you guys. I just have 4,552 subscribers, and this is what I'm making. Just imagine those who have over 50k subscribers, 100k subscribers. Just think about it. No wonder these YouTubers are buying Lamborghinis, they are living fine and all that. Thanks to YouTube. YouTube, God bless you, because you are really, really helping a lot of people. So thank you guys. God bless you.